morning, dear students. Sit down, please. Now, today we have an unusual lesson. Today you will take part in a quiz, in a game. Now, what is the day today? What is the day today? What is the holiday today?
Today is
The day of national costumes. Okay, what national costumes can you see here? What national costumes can you hear? Bashkir and Russian national clothes. Okay, national clothes reflect history, traditions, customs, and lifestyle of people. Now, and you have some tasks, and you are to do some tasks, and then you will get a prize at the end of the lesson. Understood? Now, the first task, please. Look for any sheet of paper. They can be under your chairs, under your tables. Find, please, the sheet of papers. Find the proverbs about clothes. Find. Boys, stand up, please. Find. Look for the proverbs. Bashkir, Russian, English proverbs. Look for. Okay, you're right. Yeah. Look for. Under the chair. Girls, look at the behind your chair. Okay, now come here, please. You are one group. Okay, make up the proverbs. Своя рубаха. Where is the end of the proverb? Ближе к телу. You're right. Then. Кеме қарап қаршылайдар.
Нет, ақылына қарап ұдаталар.
Ақылына қарап ұдаталар.
Нет, больше.
Good clothes. You're right. Open all doors. Translate. Good clothes open all doors.
Хорошая одежда открывает все двери.
Открывает все двери. You're right. Next, please. Next. Is that all? No? No man can make a good coat. Now, and okay, you haven't found. Okay, and this proverb has no the end. Okay, no man can make a good coat. Translate please this proverb. Translate.
Я говорю, что
Да. Хорошее пальто из плохой ткани. Okay, thank you. Good boy. Sit down, please. Now, what Bashkir national clothes do you know? What Bashkir national clothes do you know? What Bashkir national? Yeden, okay. Kamzul. What is it? Burek. Sidek. What Russian national clothes do you know? Rubaha. Okay. What else? What is it? Boys belt or kusha. Then next list. What female national clothes do you know? Female. What is it? Hat. In the Bashkir language. Kashmal. Skirt. Kamzu and Sidek. Okay, excellent. Well done. Now look at the screen. Come to the blackboard and find any Bashkir or Russian national clothes. Who wants this? Come here. Underline with your finger. No, underline without without chalk, with your finger. Kuldak. Okay, kuldak. Okay, please come here, please. Kamzul, you are right. Next, please come here. Here we go. Валенки. Okay, sit down. Next. Okay. Salvar. Can you see any clothes? What clothes can you see? Where is the штан? Where is the штан? Okay, come here, please. Can you hear? Can you see any costume? The first.
Bish.
Bishmet. Bishmet. Then, where is? Okay, sit down. Next. What can you see? And look at the last lane. Last lane. Find, please. Okay, come here, please. Okay, good for you. And what clothes can you see? Okay, excellent, well done. Now, have you found any? No clothes. Okay, now next please, look at the screen, You will hear some riddles. Some students have prepared riddles for you. What is the Russian for riddle? Riddle? No. Загадки, да? Загадки, okay. Now listen to the riddles and try to find out what national clothes is it.
It's national dress.
Just a moment. Wait a minute, please. Can you help me? Could you help me? Now listen to the girls.
It's national dress. Symbols are used to describe it. It's usually green, red, or yellow.
It is a national bashka dress. Good there, you are right also. Excellent. Next.
It was worn by girls and young women, and it is a long sleeveless dress and pants.
Okay. It is a long sleeveless dress. It is a long sleeveless dress. Long sleeveless. Okay, good for you. Kamzul. Next, please. Next national clothes.
And the pants from dance clothes, they are like trousers.
Bashkyo clothes like trousers.
Salva.
Salva, well done.
Bashka men usually wear it. It is a silk or velvet gown.
Bashka mean vomit. It is a silk velvet gown. Oh, it looks like, yeah. Excellent, very good, very nice. Next, national clothes.
The traditional Russian wear, they are made of sheep wool and are worn on frosti days for walking around.
traditional Russian footwear. When it's cold. When it's cold. Валенки. Excellent. And the last.
Dress up. It is the most common type of festive head dress. It could be pointed and or round. It was tied at the back of the head.
Okay. Now, it is traditional Russian clothes. Russian. It could be pointed or round. Good for you. Very, very nice. Excellent. And the last task for you now. Here you can see the text. Come here, please. Come here. Now, put these words into the right order. Put these words into the right order. Fill in the missing words, please.
White trousers, salbar. Short sleeves jacket. Sleeves yelen. Or kaftan. Пишмет. Я
Boys help the girls.
Меховой полу, честно, быстро. Пусть стоит. Пусть пока стоит. Слипс, это из горошки.
Footwear, foot.
White trousers нет же, салбар же. Это тут правильно, вот это предложение. А у нас лишние, кажется, остались.
Окей.
Ну, это вот это предложение. Там спешл. Тут одно осталось. Все.
Now, let's check. Let's do this task all together, please. Begin, please. Read the missing the sentences with the missing words. Me.
Men and women wore shirts and dresses, kuldak, white trousers, salbar,
Salbar.
short sleeves jacket, yulen,
Okay.
kaftan, kamzul.
Then o kaftan comes on. Next, please. Next, also on special
On special
occasions.
occasions, they wore a silk or velvet gown,
Gowns.
kashtan,
Kashtan.
and
Kamzul and bishmets.
bishmet,
Все.
Next. Continue, please. Children.
Young woman wore breast or
Breast ornament.
breast ornament and hakal,
Hakal.
made from cords and coins.
Cords and coins. Then next, please. Salavat.
Women's dress and kashmal,
Kashmal.
the long
Wait.
way.
Okay. Then Irhat.
In summer, women and men wore warm clothes, щоб men to look for good time. Шибки, coat, кезики, people had soft beautiful feel. Cows and seated.
Cold. Seated. Okay. Excellent. Thank you. Sit down, please. Very, very good. Very, very nice. Now, and it was the last task. Now, and please let's make the conclusion. Russian and Bashkir clothes are unique. They are beautiful. They are colorful, and they express dedication and love to our country and our republic. And your prizes. Now, these sweets are for you, and I'll give you an excellent mark to everybody. Okay? These sweets are for you. Okay? The game is over. Thank you for your active participation.